Welcome to new video on trading for beginners. In today's video I am going to teach you how you can generate QR code of any URL in few steps. Here is an online tool which don't need to create an account to generate QR code. You can simply paste your URL and generate QR code and download it to your computer or mobile device. It's simple to use. Now let's learn how you can do it. First of all, open any internet browser and search the QR code generator. Here is this website, theqrcodegenerator.com. Open this website. Now you will get option to enter your URL. I am going to make QR code for my YouTube channel, so I am just copy this link and paste it here. You can see here our QR code has been already generated. You can get more decorated QR code for you. For this you have to convert it to dynamic code, but I want simple but quick, so I am going through this simple one. Click on this download. Now give a name to your QR code. Leave image format as PNG and 1000 pixel will be enough for us. Now click on this download. You can see here our QR code has been downloaded. Now open this. Here is our QR code. If you scan this QR code, my YouTube channel will be open on your browser. So it's free, simple, and don't need to create an account. If you love this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and for this type of short and quick tutorial videos, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Trading for Beginners, and also press the bell icon for the latest update. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.